find a way to lie on your back for Savasana for a few moments. So you'll settle in. And once you are lying down with your legs slightly apart, I want you to move your feet again and then relax them. Let them splay out in a very relaxed way. And then let your knees relax. Shift your weight side to side a little and then let your upper back shoulders relax. Have your arms adjust out to the sides. Perhaps rotate them so your palms are up. Or maybe you'd like to place your hands on your belly or your chest. Okay, so you're going to decide where the arms should go right now. And then do close your eyes or even put something on top of your eyes and find your breath. So there's absolutely nothing to do. You've got nowhere to go. For the next several minutes, you'll just hang out with me as you let go. And now please begin to deepen your breath. Coming back into your body, now become aware of your physical body. And come back into your space. So whatever room you're in, or maybe you're doing this outside, wherever you are, start to notice your surroundings. Don't have to move, just notice. Notice how you feel, notice what you hear. And transition slowly, so start to stretch. Perhaps you'll move and do the whole rotate the ankles, rotate your wrists, maybe open and close your mouth. And then if you would like to conclude this session with me sitting, I took my towel and turned it into a little cushion that I'm sitting on. So you can come up to sitting if you would like. Up to you. And once you have found a comfortable seat, you want to find a way to connect once again to Earth's energy, feeling grounded and stable, secure in your physical body, and feeling balanced, and whatever you're feeling is what you're feeling in this moment, in your mind and your emotions. Perhaps close your eyes. And now, if you will, join me in rubbing your hands together, creating heat, life force energy, drawing your prayer hands to your heart center. Let's send prayers for peace and healing to all beings around the planet, and a prayer to planet Earth. Namaste.